How powerful is this dark arts microwave trick? Just watch. This molten cocoa cake takes only 3 minutes, start to finish. No traditional steps, no baking skills needed. 2 eggs, a spoonful of flour, a spoon of cocoa powder, a bit of 0-calorie sweetener, 2 grams of baking powder, and a few drops of lemon juice. Mix it all up, nothing fancy. Just stir it however you like. If it's too thick, add a splash of milk. Too runny, toast in a little more flour. You are aiming for a smooth pourable butter. Drop in a piece of dark chocolate. That's your molten magic. Microwave on high for 3 minutes. Take a look, the shape, the rise, the soft crumb inside. It's all there, light, fluffy, rich with cocoa, and that molten center. Pure satisfaction. 3 minutes, no oven, no stress. Kind of hard not to fall in love with it.